Udderly Ridiculous is an all-natural goat milk ice cream company. In 2019, we launched that product into the marketplace. And then since then, with Udderly Ridiculous Farm Life, we've really opened up to become a tourism destination. Utterly Ridiculous Farm Life is about fun. It's about creating memories, but it's about learning about agriculture, learning about food, learning about our animals. And so we take people through a number of different types of experiences in order for them to do that. Things like goat yoga, goat recess. We do some alpaca walks throughout the farm. We also do alpaca picnics. And really our signature experience is about going in depth into all of these things. What's interesting about goats is they have incredible personalities. They're incredibly agile. They get themselves into all kinds of trouble, so it's never a dull moment with goat. People ask me, why do we have alpacas? And they're just an incredibly beautiful animal, and they force you to slow down. I love when people taste a product and they're blown away by it, or they get a laugh because a goat did something silly. For me, it's about creating an experience. It's that moment that people talk about from the time they leave here to the time they get to the next place. And so being able to facilitate those moments is something that I just live for.